Assalamualaikum doctor. This is my breadboard configuration for task 1, which is about parallel resistor. I'm going to explain about how I do it. The top and bottom rows are linked horizontally across here, and power supply is connected to these rows. The holes in the middle part are linked vertically, so that will explain how I connect the loads. The value of the resistors here can be identified by the color of the band. So this is the 1k ohm and this is the 470 ohm. Resistor has no polar, so I am free to start from which point of the legs. So I started off with this resistor connected to the positive power line, vertically placed, then connected to the first LED in a series manner. As you can see, LED has polar, so I made sure which one is anode and which one is cathode before putting it into breadboard. And then I put jumper here and connect it to the negative side of the power line so that it can become a complete loop. I did the same thing for the next loop, as it is identical if you see the diagram given. So I also connected the resistor to the second LED in a series manner and use jumper wire to jump it to the negative side of the power line, so it become also a complete loop. Now both loop is completed and the breadboard configuration is ready to be tested. Okay, so the black wire is the negative one, while the red wire is positive. So now I am connecting it to see. Yeah, so as we can see, both LED light up, which means the configuration is a success, and the brightness of the LED of the both LED is the same. This is because they are arranged in parallel, so the voltage flow is the same. But I think if we get the reading of the voltage and current, the second LED is supposedly to light up brighter than LED 1 because the second resistor value is lesser than resistor 1. Yeah, so basically that's it.